It's your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. In this video, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing, how to get traffic to your affiliate offers. So let's get an introduction. Let's get right into the video. So today, what I have for you now, YouTube is a way, but I've shown you this already. But we'll come back to that. So this website is called Udimi.com, UDIMI.com, right here. And what you can do is, well, let me explain to you what this is. This is a platform where, as I scroll down here, you can see these people. They have a big email list now. The email list that they can have can vary. It can be up to thousands of people, to hundreds of thousands of people, to millions of people. Basically, these are people who built up an email list over years, months, for the most part, many years of time. And what they do is they're willing to promote your affiliate offer and send it to the email list. So as you can see, 1,000 plus satisfied clients, 95% tier 1 traffic, plus 15% bonus, very fast delivery in 24 hours, been in the industry 7 years. So like I said, and the cost per click per lead is 40 cents each. So let's say that you want to do 100 clicks to your offer, which is a good way to test your CPI, or cost per impression. So let me just load this up on my calculator real fast. Give me a second. Times 100. So for 100 clicks from this guy right here, for 40 cents, that'll only be $40. So if you're willing to invest $40 into your offer, you can send this 100 people to your affiliate offer, and if you can get at least one out of that 100, that means you have a 1% conversion rate. You ultimately want to aim for at least 30 to 40% is a good conversion rate. But I mean, everyone has to start from the basics, so just start where you can, work on your opt-in page, see how it works. So here's how it's going to work, and I'm not going to bullshit you, so I'm just going to tell you straight up facts. For this to work, you can come here and order solo ads, which is called, because like I said, this is people send from the email list to affiliate offers. And you can do that. You can send straight to your affiliate offers. Now, I've tried this in the past, and my experience was I didn't really get good conversion rates at the time. I was just getting my feet wet in the business. I didn't really understand what affiliate marketing was as a whole. So here's my advice to you: before you even think about doing this, you need to create what's called a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is a 3-step process. Let me load this up on my computer real fast so I can give you a rundown of what sales funnel is, and ultimately what's stopping you from making money in affiliate marketing. I'm pretty sure this is the key of what you're really looking for. So let's let my computer load up, and I'll break down the 3 things that you need to get traffic to your affiliate marketing affiliate offers. So without further ado, we're gonna come here. Hopefully this is the pen. Alright, so we got these 3 steps. These are the 3 steps that you're gonna need. Don't mind my circles. That's not what's important. What's important is what's going in the circles. Alright, so what you need here, can I click here? Can I get text? Alright, what you need is my bad. So waking up. What you need is what we call an opt-in page. This is where you're gonna send people, before they go directly to your affiliate marketing offer, you need to collect their email, so you can use that on the long term on the back end. A lot of people like to use the front end. So the front end is basically, I do e-commerce, so that would be sending people directly to my website, from a website to the product page. So that's the front end offer. For affiliate marketing, on the other side, that would be you sending them directly to the affiliate marketing offer without collecting their email. Now, 9 times out of 10, if you go about it this way, what's going to happen is people will come directly to your affiliate offer. They're going to look at it. If it's a good offer, depending on what you promote, they may or may not buy. But if you try to run advertising, something like Facebook, they'll shut down your account because Facebook doesn't like that. And I believe that Google AdWords doesn't like that either, but I have to double check. But I definitely know Facebook doesn't like that. I had my account shut down 3 years ago. So what you need is an opt-in page where you can collect their email address before they even consider buying your affiliate offer. And then from there, what you want to do is go to the next step, which is called a bridge page. What a bridge page, sorry, typos bothering me. Now, what bridge page is, this is the link right before they get to affiliate offer. Some people like to just collect an email to send them straight to affiliate offer. I've tested that on a couple sales funnels that I have, and the results are typically about the same. But I'm looking to test, try, fail, learn, rinse and repeat. But basically, what a bridge page is, you want to create a video. Now, for those of you who are scared to get on camera, this can be done, but I honestly suggest that you do get on camera, and the video doesn't have to be long. It can be at least, I say, 1 to 3 minutes, and all you have to do is just introduce yourself, So if I was to send you to my Bridge page, I go, hey, how you doing? My name is Mr. DaVinci. Over the course of the last 3 going on 4 years, I've been in my entrepreneurial journey. I've learned a lot. I failed, and I want to cut your learning curve. I want to shorten your learning curve so that you're able to go over some of the trials and tribulations that I had to face. And I'm going to give you this free downloadable checklist of what you should and should not do, so that you can learn. And you know, I can't take your budget. I don't know how much you got in your pocket, but here's what I suggest that you do before you go about investing money into paid advertising to get the max return of investment for your dollar. This sounds interesting to you. It sounds like something that you could find helpful for your journey or starting to make money online. Definitely click the link below, and you know, something like that. This is an introduction, let them know who you are, what you're about, why they're opting in, and what they're going to get. Now, this is for weight loss or something like that, or health or wealth. You know, you can go into depth about how you're going to help them with that. But that's typically what a Bridge page is, and that'll be the middle offer. Then what you want to have underneath your video, you're going to have a button that says, click here to continue. And let's say click this button, this is where now we're going to go to the affiliate offer. This is where you send them to your affiliate offer, and once they've, alright, so they opted in, start all over, they opted in, you collected their email. It came out circle, but nonetheless, they opted in, you collected the email. They're gonna hit, and put this here, next. Alright, so they opted in, we got the email, they're gonna hit the next button. From the next button, they're gonna go to the Bridge page, they're gonna watch a 1 to 3 minute video of yourself explaining who you are, what they're about to get, what you've done in the past, what you learned, what you failed. You know, just getting relatability is the key. That's why I'm so transparent with y'all, because I have no problem telling you my failures and my successes, and it doesn't bother me, because I know deep down I'm just trying to, you know, get you to know, like, and trust me, and trust that what I'm saying to you, I'm not just trying to, you know, sell you a bunch of stuff. I'm actually want to help people. My goal for the YouTube channel is to help people learn, and aside from that, you get to watch me as I learn on my journey from 0 to X amount of money. The goal is to be a millionaire, and once that comes true, I look forward to those who stick around to watch this actually comes into reality. But, you know, just stuff like that. And you're going to, you know, just basically tell them who you are. From there, they're going to click here to continue, which is the end of the funnel, which is the affiliate offer, which they will click on. And hopefully, if it's a good affiliate offer that you promoting or have purchased, or you just want them to buy because you're targeting that niche, they will buy. And yeah, you'll profit the money. And all you have to do now, hold on, let me click it. I don't know how it's going so far. You get the money. And all you have to do now is the last step, which I'm noticing a lot of people's not really telling you about affiliate marketing. But what you want to do is set up emails, and you'll be emailing the people who signed into your newsletter, and then you can offer them more affiliate offers that relate to the niche that you're promoting. But they're going to be offered this video. Hope you got a lot of this video. I'm going to leave another video for you right here for you to watch. I will see you in the next video. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. DaVinci. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you have any comments, I will be responding to them within the first 24 hours of the video being released. Thank you so much for your time. So, like I said, continue to watch videos over here. Subscribe to the channel over here if you're not already. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. DaVinci, signing off.